Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots. I think the name is a lantern, but I'm not 100% sure. I purchased it last year on their during their Black Friday event. This kit was 70% off. I cannot tell you exactly how much it was, but it was super cheap. Especially taking into consideration the fact that it comes pre-framed, and the size of the kit is not standard. It's 13.6 inches by 13.6 inches, so I'm really very happy that it comes pre-framed, because it would cost me a lot of money to purchase a frame for such a size. It is not standard, and I would have to order a custom frame, which is not cheap. It was really very easy to diamond paint it because the size is pretty small, and this kit came only with 19 colors. All colors were resin except of one, the white one. White was AB. Colors, I also replaced two more colors. The first one was the gray one. I replaced it with the AB, and I used the crystal drills. These were AB for squares, 2.5 millimeters. If you remember, the standard size of the round drills is 2.8 millimeters, but these drills, these sparklers, were especially designed to replace the square drills, so to be used in square drills diamond paintings, because their size is the same as square drills, 2.5 millimeters, not 2.8. I decided that crystals would look better in it because they will capture the texture of icicles right here on the lantern, and I think that I succeeded in it. I really like how it looks, and I do think that it captures the ice, the texture of ice that I was trying to show. And I do love the color blending. I do love the great detalization of this kit. The sparkle is amazing as always. The only thing that I do not like is the gapping. So as much as I love Diamond Dots brand, I would say it's one of my favorite ones. The problem with Diamond Dots is their square drills, because all their kits have gapping. And if you look over here, right, you can see gapping. Yeah, from far away it is not that noticeable, but if you look at it a little bit closer, the gapping is visible, unfortunately. So that's how it turned out. In case if you are considering purchasing it, yes, it's great. I'm really very happy with the final result. I enjoyed diamond painting it. Technique wise, everything was perfect. I have enough drills. I didn't run out of any drills. I didn't toss away any drills. I have plenty left. The only problem is gapping. I was actually thinking of replacing this very color, this yellow, with crystals. Here they are, and as you can see, the color and the shade is very similar to the original drills. But when I started diamond painting this very area, I don't know why, but it just didn't look right. The colors didn't blend in as good as here, and they didn't look as realistic as over here. So I decided just to take the drills out and replace them with the original resin drills. That's how it looked. That's how it looks with the crystal drills. To tell you the truth, I do not really like it much. I prefer how it looks with the original drills better, because it captures the light better than this color. So I'm going to take them out and use the original yellow drills, not the crystals. So in the end, I'm really very happy how it turned out. The only recommendation I would have for Diamond Dots is to work on the gapping problem and try to improve it in their future kits. I do understand that this kit is not new. I saw it like a few years ago, so I sincerely hope that their new square drill kits will have improved gapping issue. Now, I am planning on working on something bigger. Most likely, I will start this very kit, also from Diamond Dots, but it has round drills. This is Thomas Kincaid series, and I really love how it looks finished. I'm not sure about the customization on this kit. I'm not sure what exactly can be customized here, but I'll check it out. Maybe this water drops on the rolls. I'll think about it. But yeah, that's how it looks. Gorgeous kit. Beautiful sparkle, but gapping issue. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon.